Hi, my name is Rachel Jairus. Thank you very much for all being here to hear our testimony. I deeply appreciate you taking the time to listen to us. I'm a nurse. I live in Lincoln, Rhode Island, and my representative is Greg Costantino. I hope I can read through my notes because I've been scratching things out furiously so that I don't repeat myself in respect for your time. Before the 2016 election, I was not politically active, and I was very surprised to learn that there are no laws to protect a woman's right to choose in Rhode Island. In fact, that anti-choice laws actually still exist on the books. Now I'm very politically active. I donate my time, my money, I phone bank, I canvass, I collect signatures, and I organize. I go to the local colleges to speak with young voters about the importance of voting and the need to know exactly where our representatives stand on issues that are important to us. I'm an area director for Indivisible Rhode Island, and that has nearly 9,000 members now statewide, and I lead a group in the northern part of Rhode Island. Indivisible Rhode Island is concerned about a number of social justice issues, and women's reproductive rights is a top priority for us. I'm here in support of House Bill 7340, and I oppose the other bills. I support the Reproductive Health Care Act because legal abortion is health care. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a politician. I'm a nurse. And nurses see a great deal of things about the reality of life and death. I was present when a woman died due to complications related to her pregnancy. I was aware of an 11-year-old child who was forced to give birth, I'm losing my page here, after being raped by a family member. And I cared for many women whose reproductive choices were controlled by the abusive men that were their intimate partners. I provided care to 2 children with the very same fatal birth defect, born about a year apart to the same mother. That woman had no choice. The only counseling that unfortunate woman received was that it was her duty to submit to her husband. The horror of the prolonged suffering of both of those children is something few people can ever comprehend. I won't forget the women, and I won't forget the children. Not every woman that supports abortion has ever needed one. Some of us just understand the need. Like I said, abortion is health care, and I urge you to bring that bill to the floor for a vote. I agree with the ACOG physicians about what they spoke about with the other bills, so I don't want to repeat that and keep you here on that issue. But I just want to make one comment on House Bill 7735. I really appreciate the intention of the bill. My concerns are that the same thing is that some young people, seeing the experiences of patients and the interactions of families, I understand very deeply how disturbed some families are. I would be heartbroken if my daughter got pregnant when she was a young girl and didn't feel like she could come to me, but some children don't have that as a resource, so I'm very concerned about that. Also, you spoke about the Romeo and Juliet, and you felt that that was not something that it would be addressing in the bill, but some of the Romeos are 18 years old already, and it would potentially make them a felon, so I would be very concerned about that as well. You've got a 17-and-a-half-year-old female and an 18-year-old boyfriend, and I would be concerned about that. I have one more comment to make, and I will be brief as I can. In our great country, we were founded with the concept of religious freedom, and the religious doctrine of one group must never dictate our laws. Laws are not abstract or hypothetical. They protect a person's rights, not the rights of the possibility of a person. I deeply respect the right not to choose abortion. I truly do. But efforts to impose one group's religious views on all people is the opposite of religious freedom, and it shouldn't be allowed. And I certainly hope that you'll bring the Reproductive Health Care Act to the floor for a vote. Thank you.